And now, the Sophisticated Fraudster.
Bonjour. It's breakfast time at the Fraudster Mansion, and my personal chef Raoul has prepared a lovely feast accompanied by this divine orange juice, hand-squeezed at my orchards in Valencia, Spain. Reminds me of my new favorite scam, juice jacking. When you're out and about and your device is low on juice and needs a boost, no problem. Plug into a public USB port at the coffee shop, airport, wherever. Wherever I've modified the USB port to install malware on your hijacked device. Ah, another victim has plugged in and handed over their digital livelihood to me. I'll drink to that. Until then, I've been your Sophisticated Fraudster. Scam you later.
Be cautious with public USB charging ports and use a wall outlet if possible. Together with Consumers Credit Union, you'll stay steps ahead of the most sophisticated fraudsters.